If you're into content creation, if you're a storyteller, those are professions that are only growing, right? And so if you want to be that type of person, you want to be successful, this is the place for you to do it. This is the place where you're going to come, you're going to learn, you're going to fail, you're going to try things. This is like your laboratory to find out who you are and what makes you special. If you want to learn animation and virtual production, this is the place to go to. And not only that, but we're constantly updating the studio. Right now, we want to make sure that we equip the studio with what you see out there in the business world. This is the college where we're going to help you find who you are. Because in order to be successful in these fields, right, it's not easy. But in order to be successful, you need to find out who you are, what makes you tick.